Hi, I'm Lauren Jones, Secretary of Labor and Workforce Development with the Healy Driscoll Administration. I'm in downtown Springfield at the SNAPChef training facility, and we're going to check out what it takes to be a trainee right here. Let's go. Come on in, follow me.
Secretary Jones, thanks for coming out to the SNAPChef Training Kitchen.
Absolutely.
I'm here with Mohammed, who's our in-house trainer. And he's going to start with showing you how to dice vegetables, which I think is a very basic way we start. We want to learn people's knife skills and if they can handle a knife or not. Okay. So we want to see what you got.
All right, let's get started.
Nice.
All right. Snug and tight.
All right. Okay. Now we have your gloves on.
Yes.
First thing, we're going to prep something for the vegetables for the dinner service tonight.
All right, I love peppers.
Cut some peppers for you ready to go. Let me show you how we do it in the kitchen to dice it. First, it's the most basic cut and most used cut in the kitchen called julienne.
Yes.
So you need to start with it. It's like tricks, and you cut it as thin as you can. Then grab your peppers together and move it aside, and you start dicing them.
Dicing next. Okay.
This way you have a uniform cut, all of them the same size, they take the same time to come.
All right.
Okay.
Let's go with the red one next. Add some color to this. All right. Is there a special way to hold the pepper?
Let me show you.
Okay.
The knife is called a handshake. You know, when you shake someone's hand.
Yeah.
So you grab the knife handle like that.
Yep.
You use your pointing finger, index,
Okay.
to grip the blade. This way you have more control and power over
Okay.
it. And use the claw.
Okay.
This way your knuckle is guiding the knife so you don't cut your fingertips, and you make sure it stays behind your fingers. Okay? So
Okay.
you're cutting it. It's like that.
Very smooth.
That,
Okay.
and there you go.
All right. Here we go. Handshake. Got the claw. And I
Yes, so the
smoothly
rocking slicing motion.
rock and slicing. Well, when does somebody first learn this skill when they come into the SNAPChef kitchen?
We teach them from day one. We start with the food safety basics and personal hygiene first thing. Then we start with the knife cuts. It's the most useful skill in the kitchen, and so we really focus on the knife cuts and make sure that they really get it before they start working in kitchens.
How did I do?
You're doing
I
great.
truly am
You're doing
cutting.
great. All of them uniform, same size. That's
Okay.
what we're looking for.
Great. And
Okay.
here I'm
Just watch your thumb.
hugging,
Yes.
flying,
Uh-huh.
dicing.
All right. Awesome. Yep. Rocking motion. Yes. Yep.
Rock and motion.
Yep.
This is great. I like to dice peppers like this to throw them in an omelet, a little
Omelet,
stir
you can put them
fry.
in soup. You can put them in a lot of things.
Yeah.
Great job.
So, Mohammed, how did you first hear about SNAPChef?
I heard about SNAPChef previously from a previous employer that I used to work for, and I came to SNAPChef in 2009 as a prep cook, a line cook, and I moved up the ranks in 2016. I was the executive chef for one of the prestigious accounts in Dell EMC in 55 Constitution Boulevard. In 2017, I was offered the job as one of the operation managers in SNAPChef, and I took the job, and the rest of history. I became a trainer and an operation manager, and been with the company for almost 15 years now.
Wow, that's amazing. Hearing how you had your own journey to become where you are today, what is it like now training future Mohammeds?
I love what I do. I love training people. I'm a migrant from Egypt. I came here in 1993, and I was underemployed and immigrant, so I have all the odds against me. And with SNAPChef, I had the opportunity, and I saw the potential for all the snappers, the trainees that I train. I see all the potential that everyone can achieve what I did. I put my wife through college, and she got her degree, and she got her master's degree, and both of my kids through college as well. My daughter graduated last year, my son graduating next year.
That's awesome.
And I'm in college myself.
Oh, that's
a
great.
full-time student, and I'll be graduating in December of this year.
So when do you have the time to train other people?
I do all my classes in the afternoon.
amazing.
And I'm working in the morning 7 to 3, and all the classes, it's in-person classes, and I do it
Well,
after work.
congratulations for investing in yourself, as we also look to invest in future talent. So that's really amazing and incredible.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much, Todd, for showing me around the kitchen. I really got a chance of having some hands-on learning experience.
Sure did.
Just thinking about what it takes for a trainee to come into the SNAPChef kitchen, why are grant programs like what the Healy Driscoll administration provides so important to support the work that you're doing?
Well, thank you for coming down, and it was awesome to
Absolutely.
see you in your element. You're actually, I'll give you a B plus.
Okay, I'll
It'll
take
get
it.
you started, right? So
Day one.
yeah, it was day one. You know, here in Springfield or anywhere in the Commonwealth, we work with Mass Hire, and they're phenomenal in sending us great candidates. So grants like this help support our fast track training program, which is an in-person 5-day course, and then they'll go out in the field, and then they'll be monitored by our in-the-field trainers
Okay.
for roughly 3 months.
Awesome. Well, we're so glad that you're able to team up with Mass Hire, you're able to team up with the administration to find the talent that you need and to create your future snappers and our future workforce.
Love it. Thank you.
Awesome.